Hi everyone, Divya Pandit here. So let's do the next zodiac sign, that is Scorpio. So Scorpio, September 2021. Let's see what we have for Scorpios. So my friend always complains, you put Scorpio last. You should start putting Scorpio first. So it doesn't depend on me. It's my editor who does uploading. And she's the happiest when I upload Scorpio because she's a Scorpio. Okay. Sorry, I'm shuffling again. I don't know why I felt that I should. Okay. So, Scorpio September. Scorpio is a little disappointed, huh? See, there are a lot of changes happening in your life, Scorpio, right now. Subconsciously, you are looking for that change. This energy you feel is stagnated. You know, your whole world you feel is just walking in one energy and nothing new is happening. That is what you feel, right? You're quite frustrated, maybe irritated about your work. Okay, it is related to your work that nothing good is happening. Same things are happening, again and again and so on. The first week of September, okay, again I feel that Scorpio, I feel that looking at your cards in the month of September, it's not to do with your work. Maybe you are frustrated that you want your work to do better, you want it to do more, but maybe it is more to do with you. Because you are extremely vigilant on everything. You are carrying a sword in your hand and you want to cut off everybody. You want to hit that stick on everybody's head who's trying to trouble you. You have to still yet release your past. Because until you don't release your past, Scorpio, you're not going to move forward. The stagnant energy is because you are not feeling good. Maybe you are taking a back seat and you're just very irritated emotionally, right? So you need to move forward. You need to release your past so that this stagnant energy has to release. The first week of September is getting a lot of abundance for my Scorpios. Okay, Scorpios, you're getting money, you're getting abundance. Like I explained in the other video, abundance doesn't mean money. Abundance means money, relationships, love, happiness, togetherness, family, everything. So the first week is full of abundance. You're going to have everything under the sun. Money will come, family will be nice, friends will be good, everything is going to be fine. The first week of September. The second week it is a little concern because there is something going to happen that is going to hurt you. Why? Because you are going to leave a lot of situations in your life which are not serving you. And to leave those situations, you're going to get hurt. Similar to the Libra reading I did, in that whole journey, in that whole transition, you're going to go very, very spiritual first. Secondly, in that whole transition, you're going to feel hurt, you're going to feel very, very disturbed because you're making that change in your life, right? For that change, there is going to be a lot of hurt. People are going to say things to you, you are going to say things to people, and so on. But after that, there's a lot of new beginning for you. New beginning. It's very similar to what I read for Libra. So the second week is going to get you you're going to leave situation and go to some other situation. It's going to be a journey. If you're going on a journey in the second week of September, Scorpio, so please take care, be careful. Try to be safe. Second week is not very good for people who want to travel. So second week there's going to be a lot of moving on from a place, spiritual journey, and so on. Third week there is going to be. Now third week, let me tell you what will happen is because you've gone through such a thing in the second week, the third week you will also you'll get into that ego thing. No, I want to win. I got hurt. I want to win. I am going to make sure that I win. And you will win. because you're a Scorpio, you will win. However, this victory will be empty, let me tell you. You will win the situation, you will win over those people who have hurt you, but it's going to be an empty victory because in the end, you're going to feel bad that I should have left it. It's okay if that person hurt me. Okay, so this is going to happen in your workplace, so please be careful. The fourth week is a proper new beginning, a beautiful journey, a beautiful time for something new, something amazing is going to happen in your life. There is going to be maybe partnership, there's going to be a new project, new beginning, new job, new and everything amazing and everything positive. Okay, so now the first week is abundance, money, family. Second week, I told you you'll be on either journey or you're going to move from a situation. Third week, you will get into ego. You will want to win. That I got hurt, now I want to win the situation. And the fourth week, there is new beginning, abundance, everything. It's beautiful, the fourth week. So nothing to worry. However, like I said, Scorpios, you will have to work on yourself. If you want your work to get better, you have to work on yourself because you can't keep holding on to your past. If you continue holding on to your past, you're going to lose everything, everybody. And then the victory will be absolutely lonely and alone. So, work on releasing your past. Okay? So, let's see what we have. Okay, in your love relationships. Let's see. Scorpio, September. In love relationship. So what I feel in the month of September, Scorpios, so many chakras are blocked. My God. Crown, heart, solar plexus, sacral, all are blocked. In the month of September, there will be some decision in your life which you have been manifesting. Scorpios have been manifesting something in their life and that is going to come towards them. That is going to happen and that's going to come towards them. You will get more clarity over your relationship in the month of October. Okay? Manifesting something and taking a decision will happen. Okay? There is going to be joy and stability. You are going to detach from old energies. Something old, something maybe it's a toxic behavior, maybe it's a old relationship, maybe something old that you used to do. You will come out of that. You will heal in the month of September, Scorpios. That's what I feel. And the person you have been manifesting in your life, that person will come to you. Nice. That person will come to you. You'll get more clarity over your situation. If you're already married or in a relationship, I think there will be some clarity coming in your relationship. And then after that, some confusion that you were in, you will come out of that and there will be a lot of stability in your relationship. Lot of bonding, lot of nurturing, beautiful. Something is going to open up, I feel. Or somebody will open up to you. Either your life partner will open up to you or somebody who's not been expressing their love to you will open up. You need to work on your chakras, your crown, your sacral, your solar plex and your heart. All four chakras you have to work on yourself because I saw in the work reading also. So when you go through a lot of nonsense in your life, traumas and stress and everything, your chakras tend to get blocked. So you have to work on these four chakras for your crown, your heart, your solar plex and sacral. Four chakras, if you work on it, I think things will get even better for you in the month of September. So love-wise, I feel love-wise everything is fine. Please keep cleaning your aura, take salt water bath or there are so many options that I've given. Please follow that and things will be fine because when we're continuously cleansing, then things get better. Okay? So, let's see your fairy message. Fairy message by Scorpio, September. Abundance. This is the message for my Scorpio white light tribe. Okay? Abundance is coming to you. Prepare yourself for incoming abundance. Release any mental blocks, and you will have a fairyland and human land. Wow, there is enough abundance for everyone. So the fairyland is also going to be yours, and the human land is also going to be yours. That's the most beautiful thing. Your spiritual world will be yours, and the your earth world also will be yours. You are going to have the 5D and the 3D. That is so amazing. So you are going to have everything, the fairies say. Just keep patience and just let things go. If somebody's hurting you, let it go. Send them a lot of blessings, and then see how the situation will change. Okay, so that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon. Don't forget to call for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only. Go like my Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and share this video with your family and friends. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Love you all. Bye-bye.